guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be making some really adorable miniature slimes. I honestly can never get over miniature things, and I think this video came out really cute, so I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we get started, I quickly want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments, and if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. With that all being said, now let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, the first recipe I'm going to be sharing with you is a thick glossy slime. In my mini bowl here, I'm going to add 1 cup of glue all. And the key to making thick slime is using glue all because it's thicker than regular white glue. Next, you're going to need clear glue, and this is what's basically going to make it very glossy. I have my mini whisk here, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. To give it some color, I'm going to add some blue and yellow food coloring. You also want to add some body lotion. This is going to make the slime soft. I'm going to go ahead and activate my slime. Now with thick slime, you want to use a stronger activator. That way you're going to end up adding less water into the slime, and that's what's going to make the slime very thick. At this point, the slime is thick, but it isn't glossy. So you have to let it sit in a container, and because this is like such a small amount, it only took, I want to say, about like 3 hours. I'm going to top off the slime with some Mickey Mouse shaped sprinkles. I was recording the audio because I wanted this to be ASMR, but this is like a super small amount of slime. So my microphone couldn't like pick up the sounds, unfortunately. So yeah, there is the first slime recipe all completed. Now for the second slime recipe, I'm going to be making a marshmallow themed slime. So here I have my bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and add a mini cup of white glue. Next, I'm going to add some shaving cream and body lotion. I'm going to mix that all together, and once it's mixed, I'm going to go ahead and activate my slime. I'm going to divide the slime into 2 equal parts. I'm going to leave the first half white, and I'm going to color the second half using pink food coloring. In both the white and pink slime, I'm going to add 1 mini pack of Daiso clay. The slime is all completed, so I thought it would be really fun to make like a mini charm for this slime. So here I have some polymer clay, and I'm gonna roll it out kind of thickly, I would say, and then I'm going to cut it into a little marshmallow. Once you're happy with the shape, you want to let this bake in the oven for about 5 minutes. Once the clay was completely cooled down, I went in with some acrylic paint, and I'm going to add a cute face. To put this all together, I'm going to swirl both of the colors together, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm using less of white because the charm is white and I want the slime to be more pink. I also decided to add some iridescent glitter on top. I'm placing my little marshmallow, and then I also decided to add these like star-shaped glitter. And here is the mini marshmallow slime all completed. For the final slime recipe, I'm going to be making a cake in a jar inspired slime. The first thing I'm going to do is make some really basic slime. So in my bowl, I added some white glue, then I added some purple food coloring. I'm going to mix it together and activate it. Once the slime is done, you want to add instant snow. So here I have instant snow that I'm going to activate using some water. I'm going to start dipping the slime into the snow, and you want to keep doing this until the slime gets very fluffy. And basically this slime is going to be like the cake, and I'm going to use the same white butter slime that we made in the previous recipe for the icing. So my slime is all completed, and I'm going to start working on the jar. I have this mini sauce bottle. I got this from Amazon, and I'm just going to cut it. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to make a cute face on it. Now to put it all together, I'm first going to add a layer of the purple slime, then I'm going to add some white butter slime, then again I'm going to add some of the purple, and then I'm going to finish it off with this like whipped cream kind of effect that I did here. So I rolled out the butter slime and I'm like swirling it on top. And here is the miniature cake in a jar slime all completed. I really love how this one turned out. It looks so like cute, and yeah, I just really love it. And that is it for today's video. Let me know in a comment down below which slime was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.